morning, students. Now, today we have connected together to read again the chemistry. It is the third class. Now, today we will read about the physical properties of the metals and non-metals. Yesterday, we have studied about the metallurgy, that how we can take out or we can extract out the metals, and we have studied the various process by which we can extract the metal. Hope you have done your assignment. So send your assignment on the equation. I see it whether you have done it or not. Now come to the topic, that is the physical properties. Now just we come to know that what is the difference between metals and non-metals. In my introduction class, I have given a little bit difference between metals and non-metals on the basis of loss of electron and gain of electron. But today we will observe the metals and difference of the metals and non-metals on its physical properties. Physical properties are most of the properties that we can see with our naked eye, or they can be seen through various activities. Now see, metals and non-metals physical state. All metals are solid at room temperature except mercury, which is liquid. See here, example is iron, copper, gold and silver, etc. Non-metals exist in solid, liquid or in gaseous state. See, the bromine is only the liquid state. Solid state is carbon, sulfur, phosphorus, and gaseous state is nitrogen, oxygen, chlorine, etc. So you have seen the physical state of the metals and non-metals. Now come to the melting point and the boiling point. Metals generally have high melting point and boiling point. You are observing that metals boils at high temperature. Metal generally they melt at high temperature. See, the melting point of the iron is 1536 degrees centigrade and boiling point of the iron is 3000 degrees centigrade. Now there is exception also, and that is the cesium. It is the metal which has very low melting point, and that is only 28.7 degrees centigrade. And on the other side, non-metals generally have low melting point and low boiling point, and melting point of the sulfur is 119 degrees centigrade, and there is exception also, and it is the melting point of the carbon. And you just come to know that it melts at very high temperature, and that is 3723 degrees centigrade. So there is exception also.